Hello, hello. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turns his face toward you and give you peace. That's number 6:24 to 26. I want to wish you a happy, happy birthday. You are my special student, one of a special student. I am very happy and feel privileged to witness this night as you turn into a fine young lady. Students like you make teaching so fulfilling. Kasi that was my first year of teaching. So, nakakakaba na naging coach daw ako. Ayan, naging coach mo ako sa mga contest mo. At napaka-challenging nun sa akin dahil that was my first year. Pero with the guidance of the Lord and syempre yung napaka-remarkable talents mo and skills mo, wala akong masabi. Wala talaga. So, sobrang galing mo talaga. So, there are no limits for you in your life. You will become whatever you wish to become. I wish you the best. Ayan. So, this gift, I know that you will face the real world now and remember that life is not always about having fun. There are also some important things that we need to know and apply in our life, and those learnings can be found inside this book. So know that life can offer us many brilliant things, but this book can offer us life that can take us to be true happiness, having Him in our heart. Happy, happy birthday, Colleen.
Thank you, Ma'am Glian. Thank you so much. Up next, let's welcome right now EMC Head Human Resource Management, the boss of her mother, Miss Jocelyn Francisco.
Good evening. Hi, Colleen. Alam mo, nahirapan akong masyado sa pag-iisip kung ano ibibigay sa'yo. Sabi ko, what can I give this pretty woman? What can I give her na makaka-relate kaming pareho? So, naisip ko, there is something that I can give you na makaka-relate talaga tayong pareho. At pag nakita mo to palagi, maaalala mo ko. May I request Mr. Henry to open the gift para makita nila. Tuwing makikita mo to, Colleen, lagi mo maalala kung saan ka nanggaling, kung saan ka natuto ng mga values, mga attitudes, and wisdom ng ating patron saint ng ating eskwelahan. I'm also a graduate of the Pontifical and Royal University. So I would like to show you the treasure, forever treasure. Lagay mo yan sa headboard mo o kaya sa altar. Buksan mo, Henry. I-assist mo siya. St. Thomas Aquinas. Relate tayo. Happy birthday, Colleen, and good luck to your endeavors. Love you. Kiss, kiss.
Thank you, Ma'am Jocelyn Francisco. Next on the list is Colleen's godmother. Let's welcome Ninang Erlinda Mallorca.
Hello, Colleen. Happy birthday. Ngayon lang tayo nagkita. Kasi dalaga ka na. Kasi nung maliit ka pa, parati ka dinadala ni mama mo sa office para mamamasko. Ngayon dahil hindi ka na pumupunta kasi dalaga ka na, siguro nahiya ka na. So, I wish you a happy, happy birthday, your 18th birthday. So, you are now a lady. Si mama mo, pumupunta sa akin, sasabihin niya, Tita Lynn, pagdasal mo nga si Colleen. So I always pray for you. And I pray to God that you have to reach your goal in life. Happy, happy birthday. So my gift to you is you are always aware of the time. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Ms. Erlinda Mallorca. Next up, let's welcome right now colleague of her mom. Let's welcome Miss Mary Rose Vivero.
Hello, Colleen. Happy, happy birthday. I've known you since you were this small. Ganito ka lang kaliit nun. Tapos, papatulain ka namin, papasayawin sa HR yun. Ganun ka kaliit, ganun ka kabibo. From there pa lang, alam ko na someday magtatagumpay ka sa buhay mo. Kasi masipag ka tas matalino. Yan. Etong gift ko sa'yo, may this treasure be a fuel for all your passion. And take this with you as you conquer the world. Happy birthday. Sorry, naapakan ko. Maiwan.
Thank you, Miss Mary. Next on the list is Colleen's classmate in grade 10 in USC JHS and also a friend, Miss Lorraine Jade Kebiab.
Hi, Colleen. First of all, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat-lahat and for being my best friend. Namiss kita ko sobra, pati yung mga bulihan moments natin. Galaan, sungitan, food trips, kulitan. Lahat-lahat ng bonding moments natin. Thank you din kasi napaka-maalaga mo at lagi mo kaming pinapasaya. Ito yung napili kong gift sa'yo kasi gusto ko kapag makikita mo to, lagi mo akong maaalala and magagamit mo kapag gumala na tayo ulit. And gusto ko din ma-feel mong lagi akong nandito para sa'yo at kahit saan ka man pumunta, lagi mong tatandaan na lagi din kitang susuportahan. Enjoy your day. Again, happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Now, let's move on with the next 18 treasure, Colleen's science mentor from IJLA, Ms. Claire Cabanilla.
Hi, Colleen. My gift for you symbolizes your simplicity and elegance, vibrance, and flexibility. I wish you all the best in life. Continue to achieve all your dreams. Don't forget to stay humble. And I wish you the courage to grab all the opportunities that will come by you. And I wish you the perseverance to live your life to the fullest. Happy 18th birthday.
Thank you, Miss Claire. Another treasure in her life is Colleen's computer teacher in IJLA, Miss Ruby Ana Garcia.
Everyone? Wala. Ayaw niya yata sa akin. Sorry. Good evening po. Happy birthday, Colleen. So first of all, thank you for making me a part of this momentous occasion in your life, katulad din ni ate. Now you're starting to be the new lady or a new lady in the society. So pagpasensya mo na yung gift. Actually, kasabot ko yung anak ko sa pagpili nito. Kasi medyo fashionable din siya ngayon. Oo, babae yun eh. Babae talaga. Sobra. So, isa siya, kasama ko siya sa pagpili nito. Sana mag-fit siya sa'yo. May you find it mysterious, serious, and powerful as what black clothes mean. Kasi yung motif mo, black and red. Ayun. So, ito yung napili niya namin para sa'yo. When worn, it is a symbol of class, business, elegance, and sexiness. So, God bless you more. Tuparin ang paglipad para sa successful life. Achieve your goals. Be a good daughter parents kay mommy and daddy. At saka syempre kay ate. And God bless. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Now let's move on with the daughter of the IJLA directress, Miss Donna Peña Angeles.
Hello, Colleen. My gift for you is a flask. And I chose to give that to you because with everything that's been going on in the world today, we are being reminded that health should be our top priority. But we should always keep ourselves healthy, and one way to do that is to stay hydrated because water can help us wash away the toxins out of our body. Diba? So you can bring that everywhere if you need a quick gulp. And remember, just like in real life, you do not need toxic things and negative people. Diba? So if ever they get in your way, all you need to do is to flush them all out. Okay? Stay happy and shine to the brightest. Happiest birthday, sweet girl. God bless you and may all your wishes come true.
Thank you, ma'am. Next on the list is Colleen's Elementary Christian Living Education Teacher in IJLA, Miss Rosana Nawanao.
Lynn, happy birthday. Accept my simple gift to you. Every time you use that, always remember that I'm always praying for your success. And I'm wishing you good health, long life, and more blessings.
Moving on, let's welcome right now Colleen's classmate in grade 8 to 9 in UST Junior High School. Now let's welcome Miss Ace, I hope I'll say this correctly, Acia, okay, Acia Vernice Ayorde.
Hi, Colleen. Happy 18th birthday. We've known each other since 8th grade, and it's always a joy to be with you. Your upbeat spirit is so contagious that you make everyone around you feel comfortable and jolly as well. I wish you success, and I hope na masaya ka sa nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon. I pray that God will grant you the desires of your heart and show more of Himself to you. May He bless you above and beyond as you continue to bless others. Be expectant of greater things, Colleen. So this present that I got you is also the first gift that I gave you. But don't worry, it's different. It's different from the first one. This symbolizes that I care for you, and wherever you go and whatever you do, I will always be here for you no matter what. I love you.
Thank you, Miss Aliorde. Also a treasure is her co-member in UST Junior High School Glee Club and a friend, Miss Aliana May Tristan Co.
Hi, Colleen. Happy birthday. I hope that you keep on reaching your dreams hanggang sa magkaroon ng MD sa name mo. May you always be happy and may God bless you always. Etong gift ko for you, it really reminds me of you dahil sa color red. Kasi yung color red is full of passion and love. Kaya naman naaalala kita dahil dito, dahil sa yung love and passion mo sa studies and sa talent mo. Again, happy birthday. Stay kind, pretty, and cheerful as always. Just know na andito lang ako lagi for you. One shot away lang talaga. Keep shining as always. I love you, Colleen.